Did you know contractors are the backbone of major industries like construction, tech, and design? A contractor is a skilled professional or company hired to complete a specific task without being a full-time employee. There are four main types. General contractors manage entire projects. Subcontractors handle specialized tasks. Independent contractors are self-employed experts, and specialty contractors focus on niche services. Want to hire one? Look for experience, licenses, insurance, and check reviews. A solid contract and clear communication are key to success. Technology is transforming the field. Cloud tools, remote collaboration, and even 3D printing are changing the game. The future? Think sustainability, flexibility, and innovation. For more expert insights, visit humanityyuapd.com.